Hey everyone, and welcome back. We are on episode 31 of my Lip Color of the Day series. Today we're going to be doing this Splash liquid lipstick, and this one is in the color Spellbound, which is a really bright or deep dark purple. We're going to see how it looks on. Sometimes it's different than what it looks like in the tube, so I'm interested to find out. Okay, so wow, this really is just the deepest, darkest purple. It's not something I would wear out typically, but I mean, it's not a bad color if that's something that you're into. It'd be perfect for Halloween if you're dressing up as a witch or something like that, or if this is just really a color that you're into, dark and bold. This was Spellbound Splash Liquid Lipstick. Alright, thanks you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.